This brief informational video will introduce you to the topic of policy. You will learn more about what policy is, why it is important, and how to get involved. What is policy? Policy is a plan, course of action, or set of guidelines, regulations, or laws. Policies can be adopted by the government or more informally within your community or households. Policies help to determine decisions or procedures. Where do we see policy? Policies can be seen all around us in our everyday lives, not just at the government level. For example, some individuals may have a policy in their household to take off their shoes when they enter the home, or to have their children home for curfew at a certain time. At school, there may be a policy on what you can wear or a dress code. At work, you may have policies on working from home or when you are expected to arrive at the office. Does policy matter? Yes. Policies can have a positive or a negative impact on people's lives. For example, policies requiring people to wear seatbelts while driving or as passengers in a motor vehicle have decreased injuries and fatalities in car crashes dramatically. Similarly, policies prohibiting drivers from driving while intoxicated have decreased the number of car crashes from drivers under the influence. And policies not allowing individuals to smoke in buildings, planes, and restaurants has helped to decrease overall smoking use in public spaces. How does policy change happen? It is important to remember that policy change does not happen overnight and that it may take time. For change to happen, we need your voices. Think about what policies are currently positively or negatively impacting your life. For example, would having more pulmonary rehabilitation sessions covered by insurance help you? Your advocacy can help to create change. Research and data also helps to move policy forward. New studies and evidence can create and support policy change. For example, research collected to show that individuals wearing seatbelts while in motor vehicles decreased injuries and major fatalities in car crashes, which led the government to pass a policy requiring individuals to wear seatbelts. At the COPD Foundation, we support policies that increase funding for COPD research, that provide patients with access to affordable and quality treatments, as well as policies that establish a COPD program at the Centers for Disease Control to drive early diagnosis and improve treatment methods. We also partner with a variety of organizations to advocate for the COPD National Action Plan, oxygen accessibility issues, and relevant healthcare reform. Want your voice to be heard? Want to help make a difference? Become a COPD advocate today. To learn more, email statecaptains@copdfoundation.org.